Imagine you have built the most beautiful reception for your coaching institute and everything looks perfect, organized and welcoming. Naturally, when students walk in, they are impressed and admissions start happening easily, right? But now think about this. When a student visits your YouTube channel, is it equally beautiful, systematic and meaningful? Because if it is, trust me, they won't just visit, they will subscribe, watch your videos and even enroll into your courses. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how you can set up your YouTube channel professionally so that your subscribers grow, your watch time increases and your admissions skyrocket. I will be sharing examples from some of the biggest brands with simple, practical tips you can implement immediately. So if you are a teacher, a creator or a coaching owner, stay with me till the end of this video. So let's get started. First, let's understand something very basic but extremely powerful. When you look at big brands like Physicswala, Study IQ or LN, you will notice every element of their YouTube channel is highly polished and intentional. Nothing is random. And trust me, they have big teams working on these details. But even if you are an individual teacher or a small coaching owner, you can achieve the same polished look with a little effort and right strategy. So we will go with it step by step. Step number 1, your YouTube handle and channel name. Is your YouTube handle matching your coaching or personal brand name clearly? If not, it's a big miss. Student trust channels that look authentic and branded. Take Physicswala or LN. For example, their brand names are very crisp and clear and professional everywhere. You can see the site. Step number 2, your YouTube banner. The first thing a visitor sees in your banner, and a good banner is more than just a pretty picture. It should immediately tell the visitors what you offer, what's happening currently, like test series, course launches, events, and a call to action, CTA, if needed. So let's see to the Physicswala banner. Their slogan, पढ़ लो चाहे कहीं से, मंजिल मिलेगी यहीं से. Now what Study IQ highlight? They highlight their toppers and the programs. Okay, now the mistake alert. Many small creators design their banner once and forgot it for years. Your banners need to be updated regularly to match your latest offerings. Step number 3, links under your channel right below your channel name. There's a spot for placing website and app links, so use it wisely. So Study IQ smartly links to their websites directly. You can see here in the descriptions. And now the Physicswala. You can see here, Physicswala links the Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn very clearly. Everything is very clear and neat. The idea, redirect your audience wherever you want instantly without confusion. Step number 4, display picture, DP. Keep your brand logo as the profile picture. No fancy complicated images. Simplicity and branding matter more here. Step number 5, setting a feature video. There are 2 types of first impression videos you can set. One for new visitors and one for returning subscribers. Make sure your featured videos are your best evergreen content. Something that hooks viewers and pushes them to explore your channel further. Step number 6, organizing your homepage. This is the real game changer. Top playlist, more popular videos, newest uploads, testimonials, specific live classes if any. Make your channel look like a mini learning website. That's how big brands do it. Physicswala, LN, Study IQ, they structure everything systematically so students never get lost. Step number 7, playlist matters a lot. Students don't like hunting for videos randomly. Create organized playlists for different topics, grades, courses or exam categories. Playlists help in more watch time, better binge watching behavior, more conversations. Step number 8, post and community engagement. Don't forget to use the post feature. Share updates, polls, quiz questions, build interactions even when you are not uploading full videos. Community post helps small channels grow faster by boosting engagement. Step number 9, preparing for YouTube courses and store. YouTube is evolving. They are launching YouTube courses where you can organize playlists like proper paid courses. Soon you will even be able to sell your notes, study materials or products via Store tab. So prepare now by organizing your content and playlists systematically. So here's the truth, growing your YouTube channel isn't just about uploading random videos. It's about building a complete brand experience, just like you can create an impressive coaching reception. From your channel name to your banner, from your playlist to links, everything needs a purpose, a meaning and a system. And trust me, when you do it right, students will not only subscribe, they will stay, trust you, enroll in your courses and recommend you to others. So start today. Take your YouTube channel as seriously as your offline brand. And yes, if you ever need professional support, whether it's for digital boards, full studio setups, or even marketing guidance, we at Edusquadz are always here to help you level up. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the bell icon. This is Sakshi. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating and keep inspiring. Bye-bye.